Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your GameSir G7 SE to your PC in 2026. Now to begin with, the GameSir G7 SE, which is a wired controller, so it connects directly using a USB cable without any Bluetooth. So you need to first of all take the USB cable that comes with your controller, and then you need to directly plug it into your PC. Then connect the other end to your GameSir G7 SE, and as soon as you plug in, the controller should power on automatically. Once connected, your PC will automatically recognize the controller as an Xbox compatible input device. Windows will then install the required drivers in the background, so you don't need to download anything manually in most of the cases. Now, once you have connected both of these via this USB cable, you just have to simply press the Xbox button on the controller to confirm that it is working. You can also go to the control panel and then go to the devices and printers, and then you can right click your controller and select game controller settings in order to test the button inputs. For better control and customization, you can also install the GameSir Nexus software on your PC, and this allows you to update the firmware, adjust the sensitivity, and even configure the button mapping. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.